All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Suleiman Umaru Jallo Mojalanta Jaido, literally Suleiman Umaru Jallo, the one who doesn't laugh with any idiot. It has been a very long time since I posted a video on this channel. However, I would like for you all to know that I never forgotten any one of you. Today's lesson, we are going to talk about two things. Missing somebody and not seeing somebody for a long time. So there's feelings when you miss somebody, right? So we say in Fulfulde, we say Miyewnima. Yewene is the fact of being bored, okay? Yewene wonikam. If I said Jallo, Bandam Gorko, my friend, Yewene wonikam, that means I'm really bored. If I look at you and you are a beautiful Fulani lady and I said Miyewnima, that means I really miss you. The other thing is also, if you haven't seen somebody for a long time and you want to say you haven't seen them for a long time, you say mi wairima, viral, wairede. Okay, viral means, you know, missing, like not having seen somebody for a long time. So mi wairima, mi wairi Niger, that means I haven't been to Niger in a long time. Mi wairi America, I haven't been to America in a long time. Mi wairi Qatar, mi wairi Nigeria, I haven't been there for a long time. If I say Miwairi Abdullah Jallo, that means I haven't seen Abdullah Jallo in a long time. If I say Miwairi Hetina de Jimmy Fulbe, I have not listened to Fulani music or song in a long time. If I say Miwairi Nyamde Teu, it means I have not had meat in a long time. All right, so these are the two words, and I think this is a good way for us to move back and ease back into doing this lesson. Please let me know if those are still helpful. Please ask me questions. Please help me choose what topic to discuss next, because I'm here for you. All right, I rest my case. Thank you.